Good morning to you. Today is Wednesday, November the 14th, 2012, and we're going to take a look at the national and regional forecast for today. It looks like on the northeast there's an area of high pressure that dominates most of that region with mostly sunny skies but cool temperatures. There's a weak disturbance that's moving across the western portions of the region later today, causing some increase in cloudiness but no precipitation is expected. The temperatures in the area will be cool this afternoon with readings ranging up 10 degrees below average. Highs should stay in the 30s and 40s for most of the region throughout the area, from the southeastern part of Pennsylvania and southern New Jersey to Virginia. But the temperatures should climb into the lower 50s later this afternoon. Over the south, there's an area of dry and cool weather will dominate this region. And pleasant good morning to you. This is Jason Scott. Today is on Wednesday, November the 14th, 2012. And we're looking at our national and regional forecasts. Starting in the northeast, it looks like high pressure is dominating the region for most of the northeast, with sunny skies but cool temperatures. A weak disturbance will be moving into the western part of the region later today, causing some increase in clouds, but no precipitation is expected. Temperatures will be cool this afternoon, with ranging from about 10 degrees below average. Highs will stay in the 30s and 40s for most of the regions throughout, although there's a few areas of southwestern part of Pennsylvania and southern New Jersey to Virginia will climb into the low 50s. Take a look at the south. It will be dry and cool for the majority of this region, and there's a weak disturbance that will be triggering some sprinkles of showers across the eastern Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and northern Florida during the day. At night, the threat of showers will move south into Carolinas, and there's rainfall should be very light though, with most areas picking up no more than 1/4 of an inch. Temperatures are forecast to be 15 degrees below average from the Mississippi Valley to the southeast coast, with near average readings over Oklahoma and Texas. Highs should be in the 50s and lower 60s from the lower Mississippi Valley to southeast coastal area. Warmer highs will be in the 60s and low 70s that will occur in Oklahoma and Texas. The warmest area will be in the central and southern part of Florida, with temperatures will make it into the 70s and low 80s. Now let's focus on the Midwest. It looks like high pressure will keep this region pretty much dry. A few weak disturbances may trigger a sprinkle or a flurry over the northeast part of Minnesota, North Wisconsin, and North Michigan during the day. Temperatures are expected to be 5 to 10 degrees below average from the Great Lakes to Kentucky. Readings will be slightly above average from southern Minnesota to Kansas. Highs will be in the 30s that will occur over the northern part of Dakotas and northern Minnesota, with 40s in the southern Dakotas and Michigan and into Ohio. Milder highs will be 50s and low 60s expected in Iowa, Missouri, Nebraska, and Kansas. Now, taking a look at the western part of the U.S., like most of the country, the majority of the West will be dry. Spotty rain showers and mountain snows will occur in the northwest and northern Rockies, but it should be light with no significant accumulations. High temperatures will be in the 30s and 40s that will occur from Washington Cascades to Montana, southward into the Colorado Rockies. Highs will be in the 50s and 60s except the western Washington, southwest to Utah and eastern part of Colorado. Warmer temperatures are expected with 70s and low 80s that will occur over southern part of California, southern New Mexico, and the warmest readings will be in the deserts. That's a look at your national and regional forecast on this Wednesday, November the 14th. Stay with us and we'll have travel updates for your Thanksgiving travel later during the week.